good morning Bapak Ibu.
Good morning.
Let us start dulu ya Bapak Ibu ya. So thank you so much Bapak Ibu for joining the CTL workshop. So and welcome to the workshop on smarter course content development with AI. Always happy ya. Wait. So just to let you know about our agenda today. So basically we are going to do many exploration using AI. In the coming 2 hours, there will be many activities that will be done each by you, and then there will be no break time, because we have a limited time. So you can just take the refreshment anytime, during the workshop, Bapak Ibu. And then by the end of the workshop, we expect that you can submit your result, using AI tools, and then there will be a selection of the best participant. So we are going to vote, who will be the best participant, for this workshop, based on your voting. So I have shared you the link to the Padlet. Do you mind please take a look at on your table? So you can just access using this barcode. So we're going to use the Padlet. But meanwhile, I'm going to also share you the workshop objective. So first, we expect Bapak Ibu can develop a complete teaching package, at least for one chosen topic. And then, lastly, we expect that you can share and reflect, about how AI tools can help you to develop teaching materials.
Miss Echi,
Yes.
Do you have the link for this so I can open it in my laptop, please?
I think so. Andre, do you mind please help?
Yes, Andre, I don't
Andre,
bring my
yeah.
phone.
This is too small for me.
Oh, really? Too small?
I know if I have to use my gadget.
Okay, yeah.
I mean, it's better if I use mine.
Wait, Bu, I
Forgive
can
me.
share it to you. Wait. Andre, Mbak Dian, do you mind please maybe share? Okay, so while waiting for CETL team to share the exact link, for the Padlet, do you still remember the yell that we used in the previous workshop?
No.
Something related to fire. So, do you still remember? Maybe Mbak lagi, Bu Melinda. Do you still remember? Imelda. Ibu Melinda. Sorry, Ibu. Do you still remember, Ibu? So if I call SU faculty, you will answer on fire. We are not going to use that yell anymore. So I get an inspiration from the K-drama. So if I want to grab your attention, I will say SU faculty, and then you will answer fighting. So can we do it now? SU faculty. SU faculty. Fighting. Using your hand. Fighting. Fighting. Okay, thank you. Alright, so to start this activity, I would like to invite you to join our online poll, Bapak Ibu. So I just want to know whether all of you have use AI for developing your teaching materials, ya. So do you mind please join to the online pool, Bapak Ibu?
Belum ada ya?
The link is also available here, so you can just use your gadget. That's okay. Yeah, you don't need to use your laptop. Yeah, to participate in this online pool.
Polling sih nggak apa-apa.
Yeah, please use your phone, Bapak Ibu. No need to use laptop. Yeah. I just want to know whether all of you have used AI into your teaching practices. Okay, 50% say yes. This is the good news, of course, yeah. So those who have used AI, you are going to compare and contrast between AI tools that you have used currently, yeah, with the AI tools that I will introduce to you, yeah. Welcome, Pak Budi. Thank you for joining. Oh, only 30% saying no. Okay, for those who are not yet started using AI, I believe that you can have new inspiration to start using AI into your teaching. Okay. So is that all? How many participants? Still 12 nih? 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11. 14, only 16. Okay, I'm still waiting for the remaining 3 participants. Bapak Ibu, please participate in this online poll. Kini mana kini? Ya. Okay, so those who say yes, I would like to also know which AI tools do you use for teaching, Bapak Ibu? Ya. Which AI tools do you use for teaching? Yeah. I think I can guess the result. ChatGPT, ya. Pasti Pak, ChatGPT kan? Oh, Gemini. Okay, please participate. Ayo Bapak Ibu. Kan, Gemini, ya. Copilot. Agent. Oh, nice. Agent. Are you sure you're using agent? Oh, Budika, I believe. Ibu Dika. Gemini, wow. Oh, I never heard about Youthly.ai. Can someone please maybe share about?
Here.
Okay, maybe Ibu, do you mind to share because this is something new for me?
Yodlee is an AI for speech evaluation.
Nice, thank you Ibu for sharing ya. One extra point nih for Ibu Julia. Okay, so Gemini and Copilot get the highest frequency from this this survey. Okay, are we still waiting for other response? Yeah, still because only 12 ya. Yes. Nanti ya. Nah, ya. Berani berapa bayarannya? Iya. This is free to access lah Bapak Ibu and can be embedded into our PPT slide. Nah, iya, nice, free dong, iya. Okay, nanti those who want to learn about this, just text me and then give me the rep special rep. Okay, enggak, free Pak. Okay, still 12 response. Ayo Bapak Ibu, please participate. Okay, I can see from. Oh, I as can see from your response here, yeah, the tool that I will introduce to you is actually something that is new for all of you, yeah. So this is a good news for us. Okay. So the AI tool that I'm going to introduce you today is very special. Do you know why? Because this AI is designed, yes, specifically only for educators. Yeah. Okay. So the name of the AI tool is MagicSchool.ai. Yeah. And we have subscribed, yeah, only one account sih Bapak Ibu, but I believe we can use it together, yeah. Again, we need to do efficiency, ya Mbak Ajeng. Yeah. So by the end of this workshop, we will share you the account, yeah, the premium account for this MagicSchool.ai. But for this activity, we are going to use free account for you, yeah. But before we start doing this, I just want to share you a quick reason, yeah, why we need to use this AI. The first one, of course, it is make us save our time, yeah, to prepare the teaching materials, yeah. And then besides that, it will enhance our creativity because sometimes we already have so many assignments, yeah. We need to teach 12 credits and then do structural assignment and so on, yeah. So there is no time for us to prepare a good teaching material. So this is very useful, yeah, for us to prepare a very good materials, yeah. So that we can just focus on delivering a good quality of teaching, yeah. Okay, and then this is also support us to implement the OBE concept and the Universal Design Learning. Welcome. And the last one, yeah, it can also boost engagement, yeah, from our students. And last but not least, yeah, of course, it is also empower us as a faculty at Sanford University, yeah, because we just focus more on the teaching delivery, yeah. No more extra time to prepare our teaching materials, okay? Alright, so now, Bapak Ibu, we have, I also would like to share this table. This is actually a brief comparison between MagicSchool AI and other AIs that maybe you are familiar with, yeah, ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and DeepSeek, yeah. As you can see, maybe I can just summarize that for MagicSchool itself, yeah, it is very useful for us as a lecturer because it is specifically designed for education, designed for us as lecturers. Yeah, so you don't need to be confused on how to impute your prompt, yeah, in the MagicSchool because it is already embedded with all features needed by lecturers or teachers. Yeah. Okay, now, Bapak Ibu, yeah, I have shared you the link to the Padlet. Andre, are you done sharing the link? Okay, so what is it, wait a minute, so this is the look of the Padlet that we have prepared, yeah. Go back to this. for Mbak Dian to fix the technical issue. So we can start to open the Magic School AI. So what you can do is actually you just open your browser, Bapak Ibu. Can be Google Chrome, can be Safari, or anything else. Yeah. You just type in on your browser magicschool.ai. Okay. And then you can try to sign up, yeah, create the account, yeah, using your Gmail. So you can use your personal email, yeah, because this is just to do practice, yeah, that's okay. Again, please do this together, step by step, ya, Bapak Ibu, ya, step by step. Okay, so I will give you time, Bapak Ibu, maybe 1 or 2 minutes to create account for the magicschool.ai.
Internet biasa Bu Eci.
Oh iya, please use this Wi-Fi, Bapak Ibu. So use SU event. This is the password ya, teman-teman, Bapak Ibu. Yeah. So we have increased the bandwidth. So just use SU event, yeah, SU event, and then use this specific passcode-nya.
Passwordnya yang atas itu ya.
Iya Bu. S3, S-nya capital. S3 small t at 25 SU. SU capital. Okay, you can use Google aja. You can click sign up with Google, Bapak Ibu, to make it easy for you, and then you will be directed to sign in using your Gmail account, yeah. And then there will be option, yeah, whether you are student or teacher. So you can choose teacher. Yeah, do not choose student, yeah, because you are the teacher, right? Choose teacher, yeah, not student. Okay, you can use Gmail account. That's okay because this is just to do practice. Yeah. Yes, educator sign up. Yeah, can be like that. Okay, we will do this step by step, ya Bapak Ibu, because we have prepared the guidelines. Yeah. You can also access the guidelines using this Padlet. Yeah, the guideline will be available in the first column of this Padlet. Yeah, Bapak Ibu, you can find, yeah, the link to this Padlet. The guideline is already available, yeah, on the Padlet. Do you mind please maybe open it and try to download the file? Ada guidelines-nya.
Passwordnya itu SU-nya bener tuh.
Supposed to be ya, bener nggak sih Mbak Dian? Jadi S3 ya? S-nya capital ya Bapak Ibu, S capital, 3, small t ya Mbak Dian, small t ya? T ya kan? S 25, S capital, U capital, ya Bapak Ibu.
Nggak bisa connect nih.
Kenapa ya masuk kayak gitu?
Itu kan SI event.
Hah? Oh.
Did you choose SI event or SU, right?
Ah, sorry. Oh, alah.
I did also wrong.
Thank you so much. S.
Oke. Oke, ini bisa dibuka. Okay, so Bapak Ibu, have you successfully sign up, Bapak Ibu?
Yes.
Yes, okay. If you have trouble, yeah, please raise your hand, Bapak Ibu. teacher boleh educator. Ya. Educator aja Bu, educator. Ya, educator. Ibu Uci. SU Fakulti, Ibu Uci. Hah? SU Fakulti. Fighting. Fighting ya, not on fire anymore ya. Yeah, no more reason for burnout ya, because it's fighting ya. Okay, can we start now? Okay, so to do this exploration, you need to pick at least one topic. Yeah, maybe we can choose a topic that will be delivered in next week, Bapak Ibu. Yeah. So it will be useful for you, right? To prepare your teaching session. Yeah, you can pick, for example, the next 2 weeks or next week. Yeah, whatever you can choose. Yeah. Pak Toto, so far so good.
So far.
Oh,
So far.
udah ya. Oke. So ini gimana? Aku susah melihat semuanya. Biasanya kayak gini deh. Oke, Bapak Ibu. So on the left side of this sidebar, there is an option, that we can access, for our tools. We call it as teacher tools. You can just click teacher tools, bagian teacher tools. Nah, in this AI, we have around more than 80 tools, that can be useful for us. But we are not going to explore all, because we don't have much time. So you can start by click the categories. So there are some categories here. Klik Mbak minta tolong categories. So we will start by choosing. Klik Mbak tolong Mbak. Udah ya? Oke. Nggak bisa. Okay, since this is error, you can just click search all tools bagian over there. Nah, and then type in academic content. Academic content. You can type in academic content, Bapak Ibu. Klik academic content. Click academic content like this. Okay. This is example example of activity. And click. Okay, good. Nah, as you can see here, this is the page for academic content tool, and then step 1, you need to choose the grade level, because we are teaching university student, we need to choose university student, and then you can type in the content type. For example, I would like to have a reading materials on topic limits and continuity. This is the example. You can also input your own topic, Bapak Ibu. Okay. Reading materials. Nah, and then you can also define the text length. Is it one page paper or one page ini, Mbak? One page paper. And then the step 3, you can also input the topic and standard. So you can type in the learning outcomes that will be achieved, by the end of the meeting. You can just copy this from your syllabus, or maybe you can also refer to the PDF file, of your textbook. Okay, and topiknya limits and continuity. Limits and continuity. Okay, this is just example learning outcomes by the enter. Nah, as you can see, when you start typing here, there is an option to click from assistant. So this is very helpful. You can try to click this, and this AI will give you suggestion on the prompt, the appropriate prompt that should be inputted, yeah, in this tool. Yeah, if you think that okay, this is good, yeah, you can just accept or just copy. If you choose copy, then you can edit, yeah, the prompt by your own. Nah, so this is the example, yeah. Tadi you choose copy or accept. Okay, so when you click accept, yeah, it will be automatically transferred, yeah, into this box. Okay. And then, yeah, the tips in here, if you have the PDF file of your textbook, yeah, you can also add the file. Yeah, so there is an option for you to add file, right, Bapak Ibu? So you can try to chunk the PDF file, yeah, related to your topic, and then you can try to upload the material. Try to upload the material. And then one is also from me. Yeah, for example, I also have a resource from Mbak Badin, bisa nggak tolong klik itu? Finding limits. Nah, in this case, I have an open educational resources, yeah, related to my topic. I just copy the link. Mbak Dian, tolong di copy, yeah, like that. Copy, Control C, yeah. And then go back to Magic School. You can on this option you can click website, yeah. Click website and then just paste the URL like that and then submit. So it can replace the PDF file. Okay. Click process, yeah. Okay, then if you have additional criteria related to the academic content that need to be produced by this AI, you can also put the additional criteria, yeah. And then if you want this AI also seek another resources from website, you can also activate the web search. But if not, that's okay, yeah. And then you just click generate. Now we can click generate, yeah, if it is already settled. Click generate. Okay, and then just wait. Yeah, this is the result, yeah, for my calculus 1 class. Okay, how about you, Bapak? Okay. Do you mind please try to review the content? So the tip is you cannot just copy paste it, yeah, into your teaching, yeah. You need to actually review the content first, yeah. And if it is possible, you can also refine your prompt, yeah. Gimana Ibu? Dan? Oke. Oke. Bisa. Langsung tambahin kalau ada additional criteria. Klik generate. Udah Ibu Julia, gimana Bu Julia? Lagi nyari, oke. Gimana Bu Sarah? Aman.
Sedang kerja dia.
Okay, maybe I wanna ask Pak Eka nih, from 1 until 10, could you please maybe give the score for the academic content result produced by the Magic School AI?
I think 8.
8,
Yeah.
okay, yeah. So, is there any suggestion to improve the score, Bapak?
Maybe they just need to provide some examples. This is only explanations of that.
Yeah.
But probably like a small exercise of that. Yeah. So probably
Okay.
the prompt for that.
Good, thank you Pak. Nah, ya, to get a better result, we have prepared you a template ya for the prompts ya. So that's why you need to open the Padlet ya, because the Padlet ya, you can access the ini ya Mbak, the challenge. Ini udah aman? Udah, alhamdulillah. Terima kasih media. Okay, so now I can
Aku udah
myself ya. Oke, Bapak Ibu, I will give you guidance. So this is the Padlet, ya kan, Bapak Ibu. And then you go to the first column. You try to download this guideline. Okay, you can try to download this guideline. This is the guidelines, yeah. Okay, this is the guidelines. I will just showing you here. Nah, this is the guidelines, and then you can start to check the instruction for tool 1. This is the example prompt, and this is actually the general template for the prompt. Nah, you can use this one, Bapak Ibu. Yeah, this is example generate. Yeah, you can define the content type. For example, news article for the topic, blah blah blah. You can also input the course name. Yeah, you can also identify the class size-nya. Yeah, and then define the learning outcomes. And then if you have any additional requirement, for example, please include 2 real-world examples. Yeah, relevant to blah blah blah. Yeah. So this is actually the sample of prompting, yeah, that you can use, and you can also modify it, yeah, based on your needs. Okay, maybe do you mind please repeat this step, yeah, try to refine your prompts, yeah, for the same tool, yeah, which is the academic content tool. Okay, I will ask Ibu Tika. Bu Tika. Okay, we are still in tool 1, yeah. Please, we do this step by step, so you can try to refine your prompt, Bapak Ibu. Okay.
Panjang amat. Flash.
Banyak ya Bu ya? Iya banyak Bu. Oke.
Becek. Aku promnya yang tadi aku masukkan tuh. Kenapa materialnya? Kenapa materialnya?
Kamu soalnya ngopi 100% kan di ubah cek.
Jadi kan itu.
Saya jadinya bagus.
Tuh kan, jadi Bu kan diubah dulu ya Bu ya. Nggak bisa langsung copy paste.
Aku nggak pakai itu, pakai coba cari sendiri juga.
Oh, iya.
Karena sesuai kebutuhan.
Iya kan harus sesuai deh, just berubah lagi ya.
Jadi
Oke, is there any question from Bapak Ibu?
Misalnya maunya.
Any question nggak Bapak Ibu?
Maunya apa?
Aman? Belajar gimana belajar?
Aku pengennya workshop
Dengan
apa?
apa ya?
Exercise.
Gimana Bu?
Nanti mulai yang tadi.
Bisa mulai yang itu loh. Buat kegiatan budaya.
Academic content.
Oke.
Di atas itu sudah grade-nya berapa ya? Di atas itu yang pertama itu content type. Pokoknya hasilnya apa?
Itu gimana? Aman?
Kalau aku pengennya hasilnya singkat, exercise,
Iya, betul.
anxiety exercise, speech anxiety exercise. Usulannya apa?
Oke.
Terus berapa banyak? Kan untuk dibaca, untuk dipraktekkan.
So the key idea here, you cannot just copy paste ya Bapak Ibu ya. Please review the result, yeah, and make some adjustment, yeah, when needed, yeah. You can also add the relevant resources, yeah.
Udah generate.
Udah generate.
Yes.
Hasilnya begini, ini hasil dia. Terus nggak sih kalau belum dapat. Kalau misalnya
Yeah,
di bawah,
this is actually kan just a template. Yeah, again you need to actually modify this template based on your needs, yeah. So for example, the one that is indicated by bracket, meaning that you need to fill the content by your own, Bapak Ibu. Ya, kan kayak outcome one apa outcome, ya, it should be defined by Bapak Ibu, ya. So, iya di situ presnya iya, ya. Oke,
ini PDF.
next.
Jadi kayak gini.
Ini mesti didapat. Bisa.
Radian and Andre, did you please also help the participant just in case they need support from CTL team? Okay. So can we continue to the next tool, Bapak Ibu?
Yes.
The second one? Okay, good. Thank you, Bapak Ibu.
Ini tersimpan otomatis nggak di situnya, Bu?
Okay, good point, Ibu. So I forgot to say to you, mention that there are some ways, to save your result. The first one, you can just click this, copy, and then you can open your docs file and then just paste, The second one, you can just export the result like this, So there will be some option, to get the file, It can be in the form of Microsoft Word. You can directly print the document or export to Google Docs. This is the second one. The last one, if you see there is a button here to save the resource. Nah, like this, Bapak Ibu. You can just save the resource directly into this Magic School account. So if you click this, and then you will be required to save this file. For example, I will just put the name. This is an example of limits and continuity content, reading article. Yeah, because this is your account is free account. Nanti later on I will share you the premium account.
Gratisan, Pak, gratisan.
Oh, really?
Ya, MB gua punya.
Ini second time ya, Pak.
Follow up.
Jadi follow up. Oh,
I did my follow up properly, so.
That's why I just follow him.
Yes.
Ini udah subscribe.
There is something wrong with this.
Oh, with him.
Iya,
Not with me.
Something like
Yeah. You are.
For the free account, you can only post one instruction. If you need follow up instruction, you can ask the Raina chatbot. Raina chatbot, But if you have the premium account, you can ask follow up question, follow up instruction, Nih, for example, if we have premium account, there is a button to do follow up action, So for example, based on this, we can generate question. Nih, there are two types, we can generate multiple choice question or free response. But we are going to do this later on, Bapak Ibu, And then you can try to summarize the content and so on, Okay, now let's go to the second tool. You can go back to the left side of this sidebar. And then you try to open the lesson plan. So the lesson plan will be available in planning category. Planning category. You just click the planning category, and then there is an option to generate lesson plan. You can click the lesson plan. Okay, so this is almost similar, You need to input the topic, and then you can also input the learning outcomes, and give additional criteria, and you can also refer to the guidelines that we have prepared for you, Bapak Ibu. You can just scroll down the guidelines and then go to the tool, lesson plan generator, and then there are prompt template here. You can just copy and modify the prompt, based on your needs. Okay. So this is the example this is from business, Nih, example promptnya. Create a lesson plan for the topic SWOT analysis in business management. The title of the course is MBA Strategic Management, and then the class size-nya 25 postgraduate student, and then mode-nya face to face, and you can also identify the learning outcomes for this topic and some additional requirements for this lesson. And don't forget to attach, for example, the PDF file, yeah, that related to the topic. Is that clear, Bapak Ibu? Ayo Pak Toto, dicoba Pak Toto.
Pak Toto, dicoba Pak Toto.
Udah langsung slide aja Pak Toto. Iya Pak Toto ya. Pelan-pelan Pak Toto. Itu slide masih jelek ya. I will spill how to create an interactive PPT slide within 5 minutes. Ya,
I use Gamma already.
Ya. Ya. Bayar. Gamma ya Bu ya. Iya, nanti we will use Gamma ya. Oke. So, Bapak Ibu, could you please try to do the step 4 ya. Lesson plan generator.
Ya.
Already, Pak Eka? Okay, good job. Okay, I will check from this side. Yes. Di sininya aja Bu. Boleh di additional. Ini sebagai additional criteria. Tadi kan ada tadi mana contohnya? Mana nggak ada? Nah, ini kan copy dulu. Requirement yang additional requirement. Yang halo Pak Santo yang create lesson plan for the topic bla bla ada di depannya di atas. Yes. Nah, beda. FS itu kan silabus. Lesson plan itu kayak planning. Kita mau ngajar. Enggak, kita kan mau ngajarnya 90 menit. Nanti tuh dia ngejelasin secara detail bukannya apa, pertengahannya apa, itu di generate dulu. Bukan, nanti kalau RPS silabus semua.
Oh, silabus.
Ada copy paste semua. Bisa nih di sini nanti di copy di bawah. Kalau udah dari tahunnya, kalau dari tahun itu di generate dulu. Yes. Oke. Coba mana ini juga aman lah ya. Wah, udah langsung 23. Udah Pak, aman Pak.
Baik, mari. Silakan. Jadi Pak Farid di sini habis sudah meeting lagi ya. Coba dulu dia.
Mau pakai apa sih Pak? Magic School.
Magic School.
Magic.
Bu Eci, maaf telat baru meeting.
Selesai meeting.
Meeting hajati dulu orang banyak.
Welcome Pak. Ayo Pak Pri mau duduk mana sini Pak Pri?
Saya
Mau
kalau
dekat sama Bu Vera kayaknya.
nggak bisa jauh dari Bu Vera. Itu sih.
Bisa jauh dari Bu Vera.
Ciao.
Bu Vera, please help Pak Pri. To be able to catch up ya with the material.
Mungkin ke Eka aja yang kali ya. Mengganggu Bu Vera.
Aman ya nih aman.
Mana Pak Eka?
Ya, Magic School.
Ngurusin gue akreditasi.
Iya, tadi lihat Pak Pri. Saya nggak dapat undangan. Pak Farid sebelah tadi punya.
Bisa dikontrol juga ya.
Yang apa? APT aja.
Maka saya tetap menunggu isi dong, tapi ini ada isi di sini. Ini untuk topik sama outline. Yang ini untuk additional criteria-nya, ya. Yes. Kalau bisa ibu tambahin kalau yang kali.
Jadi gimana dulu gitu Pak?
Magic
Bisa,
School.
bisa.
Magic School berarti ya.
Tapi ada maksimum word limitnya ya Bapak Ibu. Ini ada. Masih oke, kan 14.000 karena maksimumnya 75.000 ya.
Untuk apa tuh
Tapi masuk ke
Word?
Tadi maximum word limit for the file that we upload ya. We upload to the.
Bisa video, bisa kan?
Bisa nanti saya ajarin yang bikin question ya Bapak Ibu, nanti ada cara.
Mau upload materinya dari video bisa ya? File ini, get file. Nih, ini bisa website ya.
Iya bisa.
Bisa ya, ambil linknya aja ya.
Coba dicoba dulu ya.
Ya ini.
Aku baru sekali ini malah yang YouTube. Kalau biasanya YouTube itu Bapak Ibu kita bisa bikin pertanyaan sama summary. Tadi ada hal yang menarik dari Bu Vera, Bapak Ibu. Bisa nggak kita bikin pertanyaan atau summary dari YouTube video? Bisa, ya. Jawabannya bisa. Nah, oke, ini agak maju sedikit ya, supaya lebih menarik. Oke, ini Bapak Ibu please pay attention. Okay, Bapak Ibu. So by using this AI, we can actually generate question, from the YouTube video. This is very interesting, Bapak Ibu. Okay, so what should we do in this case is that we can just click the instructional materials category, okay, and then there will be option, to generate YouTube video question, okay. Please pay attention, click this card, and then after that, you need to set the grade level as usual, and then you need to define or identify the question type, whether it is a multiple choice, free response, or true or false. For example, I will choose free response, and then you can also define the number of questions that will be generated by this AI. For example, I choose 10 questions, okay? And the last step, you need to copy the transcript of this YouTube file. Is it hard for you? No, it is not hard. Now, what you need to do, you can open the YouTube. The YouTube, and this is the example, the video that I'm going to generate the question, So, okay, I will just reopen the YouTube. So now please choose your own YouTube video, Bapak Ibu. Please choose your own YouTube video. Dipilih dulu Bapak Ibu, yuk. Let's bebas Bu, Ibu bisa pilih. Oh, namanya YouTube video question. Kategorinya instructional materials, oke. And then klik the YouTube. Wait, itu vocabulary YouTube, itu video. Oh no, itu video summarizer. Scroll up ya Bu, scroll up.
Kalau aku.
Nah itu, YouTube video question. Okay, so this is the example of a video, that I will use, And then you can just scroll down, Bapak Ibu, like this, And then there will be option to click more, Click more. So what you need to do, click more like this. Okay, and then scroll down again. Okay, and then there will be option to show transcript over here. You just click this, and then on the right side of this YouTube page, you can just copy the transcript like this. Okay, copy until all transcripts are spotted, like this. Okay, and then copy, Aduh, wait. Ada papri nih jadi grogi ya.
Saya lihat angkanya udah grogi.
Iya, sebentar. Okay, like this, and then until the bottom, and then click comment C, and then you go to the Magic School, and then click this box, and then comment V or Control V in Microsoft. After that, you can just click generate, and then this AI will generate the question based on the YouTube video that we have.
Wow.
Nah, as you can see here, including the answer key. So So that's why it is very easy right now
Amazing.
to create a content for our teaching session. Just in 5 minutes. Yeah.
Bukannya magic school.
Here kan we already have the apa ya, the tool specifically to generate this one. Ya. Oke. Ya, ada MCT-nya Bapak Ibu ya. Langsung. Welcome Pak Surya. Thank you for coming. So this is just example. Yeah. What is the significance of the value x equal to 1 in the context of the function 2 over x minus 1? And this is the answer B. Yeah. So you can just drop this question yeah in Canvas Studio and then ask the student to answer the question. Is there any question Bapak Ibu?
Ini pernah dibawa Insya Allah.
Oh, pernah diajarin ya? Saya nggak ngikutin yang serang.
Bagus lagi Pak, lebah juga.
Magic school. Ya, hanya untuk beberapa baca kita ya kan nggak terus. Asal ada data materi.
Directly integrated into our Canvas ya. But then Bapak Ibu, just to let you know that this AI can also be integrated directly into our Canvas, but unfortunately, yeah, it can only be accessed by school premium account. Yeah, since we only have a teacher premium account, one single teacher premium account, so we cannot do that. We cannot directly integrate this into our Canvas. 1,000.
Ini kayak Tom and Jerry.
Itu ya Bapak Ibu ya. But at least ya, since we already have the premium account for teacher, I believe we can still use this ya and copy this into our Canvas ya, manually of course. That's okay ya. Okay, is there any more question from Bapak Ibu on how to generate a question from YouTube video? Pak Pri, do you want me to repeat the step by step or?
I will have a private.
The guidelines is also available for Bapak Ibu, including the sample of the prompt. Yeah, so you can just join the Padlet. Over here, and then the guidelines is available here ya Bapak Ibu. Iya. Yes, Ma. Okay. So next ya Bapak Ibu, we are going to create a beautiful presentation slide ya.
Bu Uci mana Bu Uci? Oh Bu Uci nih, yang selalu.
Okay, so maybe we can start by using this AI first, yeah. So what you can do is actually again open the teacher tools, yeah, on the left side of this sidebar, okay, and then there will be option to choose the tool, yeah. Maybe you can choose the instructional materials here, and then there will be option, yeah, for accessing the presentation generator card. This is the presentation generator. Okay, and then you can define the number of slides that you want to produce. Yeah, for example, maybe just 10 ya, Bapak Ibu ya. Okay, and then again, you can refer to the prompt that we have shared to you through the Padlet. Again, if you don't want to do that, you can just type in the topic. For example, we'll input the topic is about limits and continuity. Okay. And then I already have my own. Yeah, I already have my own prompt for my calculus 1. Nah, this is the sample from my calculus 1. Yeah, create a 10-slide presentation outline for calculus 1 on infinite limits and vertical asymptote. Yeah. The class size is 30 undergraduate engineering student, and these are the learning outcomes. And I also provide detailed requirement, yeah, slide by slide like this, yeah. So I just copy this, okay, and then just maybe just common V, yeah. So it is also important for us to upload the materials, yeah. So you can just click add file. Yeah, there are some options. You can upload file or maybe link to the website, yeah. So as for my example, I already have, for example, this is the link, yeah, that I will use. So I don't have to upload the materials. Just click website and then I just paste the URL, click submit. Okay, wait until it is 100% processing, yeah, done. And after that, yeah, you can, if you have additional criteria, you can also input, yeah, on the bottom box here, and then click generate, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Nah, this is the result. I know that this is not beautiful at all, ya, Bu. Suka kayak gini. Nah, that's okay, yeah. So, what we can do, Pak Toto still very afraid, ya. Nah, so first step, Pak Toto, you need to export this, okay, and then you can choose export to Microsoft PowerPoint, and then click export, okay. Okay, wait a minute. Wow. And I will have the last step, ya, after this. Oh iya, Bapak Ibu, don't forget to join the Wi-Fi SU event, ya, because we have increased the bandwidth, ya, for this activity. Hah? Open. Okay, now we open the PowerPoint, and again it is still very very flat. Wait, ya. Yeah, this is the result. Yeah, and this is still need additional ini ya, touch. Okay, that's okay. Now maybe some of you have familiar with this AI, so we can use what we call by Gamma AI, Gamma.ai, Bapak Ibu. So you can try to create account for the Gamma AI. Gamma double M, ya, double M, Gamma AI, GAMMA, Gamma AI. Now as you can see, yeah, this is my own site. Isn't it beautiful? Iya, beautiful kan? Mau nggak? Siapa yang mau bikin secantik ini? Mau buat MBA? Bayar. Oke. So Bapak Ibu, so first step.
Nggak usah bikin slide sendiri.
Iya, slide.
Nggak perlu, Pak.
Udah bisa, Bapak Pri? Iya. Iya. Ya, Pak Surya aman. Surya. Oh iya. Oke. We try to open Gamma AI and then Gamma AI.
Atau gambar ini pokoknya lo masukin jadi contohnya.
Pak, pakai Google gamma.app. Gamma.app, not gamma design ya, itu starter different. Not gamma design, gamma app, gamma AI. Halo, double M ya. Double M, gamma AI, not udah ya.
Ini kan tadi
Bagus kan? Ya. Bapak Ibu, HTTPS ya, gamma.app, gamma.app, not gamma design ya. Oke, and then click start for free. So for free account, you can just generate 10 slide maximum ya, 10 slide. Ya, but if you subscribe for the premium, you can generate maximum 20 slides. Yeah, premium will cost about 100,000 IDR. No. Just use the free account aja Pak. Yeah, for what or for education, you can click for education. Bu Vera udah ahli nih, kayak Bu Vera masih diajarin. Gamma bisa. Just use your Gmail account. You can click Gmail account. Let me try to explore. Bisa. Oke. Gamma app ya, bukan Gamma AI, Gamma app. Tapi Gamma app, iya udah benar itu. Sign up ya, sign up. Oke, kalau udah Bapak Ibu, oke, let's do this ya, one by one. Wait. Okay, so there will be option for you, ya kan, to generate the content. So what you need to do, since we already have the content from Magic School, or maybe you already have your PDF file, ya, that is the example. You can click import, Bapak Ibu, like this. Click import, and then choose AI import. Okay, we do this step by step, ya. Bapak Ibu, is there any question about this? Are you guys on track or not? Hah? Bapak Ibu, on track ya? Okay, good. Nah, aman. Okay, let's do this together. So you can click import, ya. Import, Bapak yang sini. Oh. Yang mana? Pak, import. Import AI, okay, AI import. Nah, you click upload a file. Okay, already browse the file, yeah, and then you can click your own file. This is the example, infinite limit calculus PPTX. Already good, and then wait until the file is 100% uploaded. Okay. I choose transfer content, yeah, and then you can click presentation, and then click continue. This is step by step field. Click PPT, yeah, presentation, and then click continue. And then again, be careful, on the left side of this sidebar, there will be option for us to choose, yeah, the design, yeah, of the content. So to my understanding, you can choose preserve, yeah. So we will keep the content as it is. For example, if you have PDF file, yeah, try to make it still remain the same, yeah, as given by the PDF file. So you can click preserve, yeah, and then you can pick the visual themes, yeah. You can click this one. Click view more, and then choose which design that you think is suit ya for you, Bapak Ibu. For example, I will choose the one with purple color, gitu ya. Okay, this is my tips. Okay, and then once you have done with that, ya, you can click generate. But don't forget to check ya how many slides or cards that will be generated using this gamma. If it is free account, ya maximum card will be only 10 ya, 10 slide. Ya bagus kan? Nah, keren kan? Oke, ya.
Kami udah lama makanya udah.
Bisa.
Kemarin aku bikin sendiri buat
Oke ya, and then you can click generate, Bapak Ibu, klik generate ya. Nah, for what is premium account, you can generate until 20 cards or 20 slides, but for free maximum 10 ya, 10 slides. And then wait until this app successfully generated all the slides ya. Bagus ya Bapak Ibu ya. Dari apa ya, estetik ya. Gimana nih tim VCD nih? Kita bisa produce very beautiful slide ya, without any effort. Effort ya. Boleh nanti. Tapi nggak sekarang karena takutnya chaos kan, karena dipakai bareng-bareng. Magic School kayaknya. Dan Magic School tuh kelebihannya bisa UDL, bisa apa tadi itu outcomes dan lain-lain, dia udah ada fiturnya gitu kan. Kalau AI biasa kan ya saya teh explore every day, I always explore everything. Nah, enak kan Bapak Ibu? Ya, you don't need spend many hours just to create PPT slide. This is save our time, save our energy, right? Ya, so you can focus on apa? On developing your canvas, on apa? Supporting your student, ya kan? To be succeed in your class, Bapak Ibu ya. So wait until it's finished, ya kan? Jadi sekarang bisa ya bikin PPT yang bagus ya, nggak ada alasan lagi, oke? Nggak ada alasan. Nah, sometimes ya, if we dealing with mathematics notation ya, there will be error. Apalagi kalau banyak banget tuh ya. That's okay. Itu kadang suka bisa di-regenerate.
Jadi misalnya bukunya 10 chapter saja, juga chapter 6. Jadi saya bisa hanya chapter 6.
Okay, another tip that I wanna give you, Bapak Ibu. So if you use this in a real classroom situation, yeah, you don't need to download this, yeah, because it will be better for you to show the slide by clicking present. Nah, lihat lebih beautiful if you just directly present it through Gamma. And it can be also seen as a website actually. We can generate website content using this Gamma app. This is very beautiful, tau nggak? Ya kan? But once you try to download this, becoming PDF or it will be reduce the quality of image.
Will we subscribe for Gamma or not?
I subscribe by my own budget.
Ada Pak Surya loh.
Dia beritahu saya ya.
So if we make the presentation or any method using this,
Yes.
or even the student,
Yes.
and then when we check to the plagiarism,
I never do that, tapi kayaknya sih
is it
aman.
detectable?
Sama aja.
Ini takut banget belajar di Sembah.
If you use for example apps like justdone.ai, ya I believe that the content will be detected as AI generated text Bapak Ibu.
Kalau AI kan ini hanya untuk presentasi.
But this kan just for presentation.
Kan kalau yang diupload itu kita bisa juga mengirim pakai berbasis PDF dan PDF kan.
Iya.
Nah terus biasanya jangan sudah pakai kali.
Oh udah.
Pak Tony, anything that is easy has a risk associated.
Iya. Cuma kan ada bikin evolusi itu loh Pak yang Gen AI itu. Iya. Bagus.
Just to let you know, we can still edit the content, and even we can ask the Gamma AI to modify the picture if we see that this is not acceptable to us. We need to change the color or we need to change the picture, something like that. So this is the example. Nah, for example, I want to change this picture. You just click this and then go to this card styling. Wait a minute. Edit with AI, okay? And then you can just click chat with AI. Modify this image with apa ya? Different color. This is just example, and then you enter the instruction, and then it will automatically give you. Sorry, I cannot edit this image yet. Wait. I'm your AI.
Bisa make this pilihannya udah tak?
Ya, misalnya. Nggak ada Pak ini.
Di bawah sorry.
Ini kayaknya ini nih yang ini. Oke, for example misalnya add some emojis misalnya gitu ya. Bisa kok. So we can always edit edit. Nah ini originalnya ini Bapak Ibu. Terus nih yang suggested-nya berubah jadi gini misalnya. Ini juga bisa yang gambarnya sebenarnya. Ini tinggal di ask AI tuh, misalnya nih chat with AI lagi, make it more symmetrical misalnya, and then just wait, and it will modify the image. So the key idea you need to input specific instruction to the AI. Nah ini udah ya Bapak Ibu, dia udah melakukan modifikasi ya.
Karena dia pakai imagery.
And you can still modify the design
Ini beda lagi.
Kalau yang punyanya.
So any question about this? Pak Toto, you should pay me for this.
Jadi makanya murah 1 tahun di bawah 200.000.
Namanya Gamma juga.
Bukan, namanya AI PDG.
Iya beda nama.
Ini lebih mahal karena ada gambar-gambar.
Penetrasi ini luar biasa ya Pak, dalam 2 tahun udah kemana-mana.
Cuman ya itu, kalau misalnya kita bayar
Selalu ada yang baru.
Banyak ada kayak gambar. Oke.
Sekarang tinggal soft skill.
So the last step, Bapak Ibu, do you mind please try to download this file?
Enggak, maksudnya
Already?
itu yang
Oke.
gambar sekarang.
Ya.
Kalau kayak gini
Oke. Kalau saya yang premium, mohon maaf ya. 100,000 VAT per month. Tapi kalau yang if you want to pay for yearly base itu around 80K per month. Times 80 kan, 80,000. Tapi dikali 12, jadi berapa? 90 jutaan. Murah sih sebenarnya Pak Surya. Pak Surya.
Kita pulang aja.
Boleh ya, one for all ya. One for all, oke? One for all. One for all and all for one, right? Ya.
Mana dia bengek?
Jadi approve ya Mbak Jum ya, alhamdulillah.
Dua gitu, nanti tau-taunya habis.
Nah, coba kita in writing. Minta in writing kalau disetujui sama Mbak Ajeng.
Ya nanti saya langsung kirim tornya hari ini. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So is there any more question about this? Can we go back to our Magic School AI, Bapak Ibu? Okay, now the next step is, let me check again.
Tapi ini jeleknya begitu kita mau adjust di PowerPoint ya, di manual dia
Pak Iwan, please be active, Pak Iwan. Just be silent, ya.
Iya, itu agak itu jeleknya.
Oh yeah, just want to let you know again, what is our yell today?
Lighting.
Lighting, ya. Okay, so no more on fire, ya. Okay, the presentation generator is done. Now, do you want please try to generate AI resistant assignment? Okay, AI resistant assignment. This is very important, right? Yeah, kan? So maybe you can reopen the Magic School AI, okay, and then try to open the teacher tools again. And then if it is hard for you to find the exact tool, you can just type in the AI resistant assignment. Yeah, it's already seen here, and then click it, okay. And then again, you need to identify the grade level, university, and then for the assignment description, maybe you can just copy from our template, or you can create by your own. That's okay. Yeah. Nah, itu ada, if I'm not mistaken, it is part of tool 9 or 6 gitu Pak, 10 Pak? 9 ya, benar-benar 9. Saya banyak banget sampai pusing. Okay, let me just use my own example ya from Calculus 1. Nah, nih, revise this assignment to make it AI resistant. Nah ini contohnya nih Bapak Ibu. I just copy this ya to my this is the assignment description. Nih, write a one-page explanation of infinite limits and vertical centered with example. And then I also put my course name, yeah, the class size, learning outcomes, and some additional requirements should be also included here. And then if I try to I don't think I need to upload it. Maybe I just okay, I can upload file. Yeah, you can just upload your assignment, yeah. Maybe something that you are going to over to your student maybe next week or the next 2 weeks, okay? Okay. Let me also. Okay, and then try to click generate, yeah. Nah, this is the sample of AI resistant assignment, yeah. So this is description. So here we expect the student can solve a case study, yeah. Wait, yeah, on how infinite limits and vertical centered impact the design of a specific engineering system of your choice. Yeah, they must include both theoretical and practical aspect. Yeah, by consulting at least 2 real-world engineering project and blah blah blah. So it will be difficult, yeah, for them to just directly use AI. Gitu. That is actually the goal, yeah, to generate AI resistant assignment. Itu sih sebenarnya. And this is actually very important, ya, ya nggak sih? Ya. Iya. And based on this, we can actually apa? What we need is actually to create rubric. Nah, so based on this, you can just copy, ya, the assignment detail, and then open the rubric generator tool, ya. So just copy this, and then I can go back to the teacher tool, ya. And then try to generate the rubric generator. Nah, open here. And then again, you can define the point scale, for example, from 0 until 5, and then you can just copy the assignment description. Okay, and then just click generate. Oh, I forgot to put the topic is limit and sorry, infinite limits, yeah. Infinite limit. Okay. So these are the rubric generated based on the AI resistant assignment that we have produced earlier using the Magic School AI. So this is, I think, very helpful useful lah pokoknya. So Bapak Ibu, maybe you can take your time around 5 or maximum 10 minutes to explore more, because after this I will ask you to upload your result in our Padlet, and then we will vote for the best participant. Okay? And 5 or 10 minutes maximum. Okay? Do you agree, Bapak Ibu? Okay. So you can open the Padlet. Over here, and then you can upload your result in the second column here. Just double tap like this, and then you can directly access the Padlet. And then again we will vote for the best participant. Oh yeah, there will be no break time again, Bapak Ibu. You can just enjoy the refreshment during the workshop. Oh, kok bisa? Kamu udah pakai Ashriver? Ini apa?
Salah yang masukin. Harusnya begini ya.
Ini mah full sayang, ini bukan full. Ini Padlet ini. Oh, harus. Bagian sama ada tadi sekarang minta ininya Padlet.
Itu di whiteboard udah tuh, Ci?
Udah.
Udah.
Oh, udah di whiteboard Bapak Ibu. Ini kalau nggak bisa akses bit.ly/Padlet 12 September 2025. Pak Toto udah buat tugasnya? 15 minutes loh.
Kira kita dapat presentasi aja udah cukup, kita bisa bikin PPT sendiri tanpa harus bikin. That's what the takeaway.
Tapi udah puasa.
If we use premium account, we can actually upload our own template from SU. So it will make our life much more easy. Right? You can just upload our SU template, and then everything will be ready within 5 minutes. Your result using Magic School, using Gamma, you can just upload in one folder, and then we will do voting, Bapak di grup, activity group, aman, Bapak Kaprodi.
Bu Eci, saya bisa nge-crop PDF aja udah excited.
Nge-crop PDF?
Iya, jadi misalnya ada buku gue yang e-book ada 9 chapter, saya butuh hanya chapter 5. itu bisa cuma untuk modul sekian hanya chapter 5 baca di link ke situ buku
Aku mau pakai apa itu?
PDF ada yang apa itu ada jadi
Yang itu tuh yang
jadi enak Bu Vera, jadi si anak juga kan kita copyright kalau satu buku ya masalah dengan page ini sampai page ini aku suka kali itu gini tapi satu-satu aja dilucu gitu.
Iya, pelan-pelan browse dulu.
Bapak Ibu, gamanya bukan gamma EA ya, gamma F ya. Takutnya salah.
Sudah Bu Eci, sudah naik, tolong di refresh.
Apa tuh? Udah upload.
Ya. Only word. Sekalian Bu, saya udah jadi PPT Bu. Sudah jadi PPT, sudah jadi itu lagi PDF. Saya sudah menaikin. Soalnya susah. Soalnya PPT.
Oke, good job. Ini ya, kita mau voting dulu ya. Di sini selesai Bapak Ibu.
Refresh dong Bu, supaya kelihatan.
Wait. Kayaknya nih
Kompetitif banget ya.
Very
Kompetitif
kompetitif as
sekali.
usual. Untung gak ada Desinta sama Fanny ya. Wah, ini lebih hot lagi kompetitifnya. Wow, Julia Francis Mona.
Tapi udah jadi PDF supaya naiknya gampang.
Keren ya. Tapi ini lebih bagus kalau directly use the app kan, ya kan? Nah, jadi kayak reduce ya.
Ya, karena naik-naik dari tadi, nanti kalah. Nanti kalah saya dari Pak Kenny, kan nggak mau.
Iya.
Jadi saya percepat jadi PDF aja.
Oke. Bu, Magic School AI-nya mana result yang Bu? Ayo Bu tambahin Bu.
Itu bikinnya ininya dulu. Apa namanya, base-nya kan Magic School AI.
Betul ya.
Langsung itu kata-katanya Magic School
Vera
AI.
nih. Ayo Bapak Ibu, please participate to vote. Oh ya, you cannot vote yourself. You need to vote someone else vote ya. Only one aja, oke?
Diminta bukti dari Magic School AI. Lah udah di situ.
Pak Surya, Pak Pri ya, please also participate ya, give your vote ya. That's okay if you don't want to upload your result, but we need your voice ya. So please.
Ini ada konflik of interest nggak?
Ya ada lah Pak. You can try to open the file ya, one by one, and then try to give your own vote ya. Ini pabrik pagernya ini ada di sini, bisa di-share. Just klik apa? Klik thumb up ya, kayak gini misalnya saya klik yang punya Bu Vera misalnya. Diklik aja, itu namanya vote. Nanti automatically counted by Padletnya Bapak Ibu. Ya. Jangan lupa vote ya, tapi nggak boleh vote for yourself ya. That is not loyal. Ayo vote. We already prepare special reward. Ayo Bu Uci, semangat dong Bu Uci. Hari Jumat nih, hari berkah. Tadi kok bisa sih. Kamu udah pakai Etipen belum?
Itu ada di matanya.
Bu Eci itu udah 1 kali, jadi nggak di Saya punya yang
apa kan nanti bersama vote-nya tenang, saya tidak akan datang masalahnya saya suruh vote.
Mikirin satu-satu, mikirin oh nggak bisa kan, harus satu kan.
Ayo, within 5 minutes.
Bapak tinggal klik aja, Bapak suka yang mana? Enggak, aku bilang mau apa? Oh, Bapak mau upload juga. Bapak tinggal daftar. Nah, double klik. Nah, udah langsung aja. Nggak bisa masuk. Nanti ada pilihannya, Bapak masuk aja Pak Pris result misalnya, Pak Pris
bukan di sini.
Di atas dong.
Bapak bentuknya.
Itu LY bukan LY pakai dot.
Aduh,
Besti susah amat sih biasanya.
tapi udah
Vote gue ya, awas lu.
Nih, saya sudah memimpin 8.
Nah iya, udah di 10 makanya tadi kan kalau belum bisa nggak bisa tuh. Bisa dulu. Ayo Bapak Ibu, we are going to select the best two ya, with highest vote rating ya. Wah ini jangan ini sama Bufera atau Bujelo nih. Waduh, ini kelihatan sekali nih kayaknya ada apa? Saya nggak milih ya, mohon maaf saya nggak berani. Oke. Waduh.
Wah, saya nggak disukai.
Iya. Ini jangan dia ngeborong nih. Wow. Oke, let us check. Bu Julia, 2 thumbs up. Pakai nih. Oh yang gila. Wow. Bu Vera, 1 thumbs up. Ayo, Bu Vera siapa? Bu Vera ada 2 nih. Berarti di jumlah nih, wah. 4 berarti Bu Vera nih. Ayo.
Aku ada 3 malam. Mestinya 1 aja ya.
1 aja sih sebenarnya.
Karena
Ini
yang tadi
siapa?
kan
Ibu
terpisah-pisah.
Tika, oke. 1 thumbs up. Pak Tony, 1 thumbs up. Bu Tika nih lagi nih, oh berarti udah 3 nih. Ayo, semangat Bapak Ibu sekali aja ya, thumbs up ya. Pak Eka, ini di sini Pak, diklik nih Pak. Nih. Wah, Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande.
Bapak Ibu saya sudah upload ya, tolong.
Aku sekarang.
Ya, Pak Surya, don't forget to participate. Udah ya, oke. Ya, I believe we have our let me cek ya. Papri kok nggak ada Papri? Papri belum ada nih Papri.
Kenapa ya?
Thank you Bu Vera for the reflection. Okay, maybe here we can try
Oh,
to.
Pabrik tempat uploadnya salah. Pabrik di bawah workshop material.
Oh iya Papri, ini nggak apa-apa Papri deh.
Ayo, klik saya.
oh iya
Aku
Ayo Mbak Dian, mana Mbak Dian? I think time is up ya Bapak Ibu. Let us select the winner ya. The first one is ya udah pasti lah ya. Oke, so congratulations Bapak Kenny.
Dia tahu sendiri tuh.
Wait a minute, saya bingung kayak ngitung second winnernya ya. Siapa ya Bapak Ibu? Bu Jelo kayaknya ya. Bu Jelo, Bu Vera nih. Bu Jelo udah 3. Oh, let me refresh ya. Terima kasih Pak, diingatkan.
Habis ini jam 11 kita meeting sebentar di
Wait.
Tentang ya.
One, two.
Sebentar.
Tapi saya bingung, Bu Vera, totalnya ada 4 like nih sebenarnya nih.
Dia mau.
Ya berarti Bu Vera lah ya, Bu Vera bisa berbagi nanti sama Bu Julia juga. Oke, congratulations Bu Vera dan Bu Julia. Yeay. Kalian dan Andre, terima please give it the reward to all the winners. And also good job ya Bapak Ibu semua ya. Thank you. Big applause to all of you. Okay. So shortly we are going to also share the account ya to access the the Magic School AI ya. Nanti Andre and Badian will share you the email, not the email account, the premium account for Magic School AI through emails ya.
Wait, tapi itu nggak bisa dipakai because there is only one account. Can it be used simultaneously by several people at the same time?
I'm
Maybe
not
not
sure
yet.
ya if we have more than, for example, 40 people, but we have tried to do that ya. Yesterday, 3 person ya at the same time. That's fine.
Yeah, because we don't know. Yeah, maybe somebody is using it. I'm trying to use.
Yeah. I think that's all. Nah, last but not least, the last activity that I want you to maybe do it now, Bapak Ibu. Do you mind please share me your reflection? Okay. So yeah, you can post your reflection in the Padlet, and I also would like to invite you to join the online poll. Yeah, just give me one word, yeah, to describe your experience using Magic School and also
Magic.
Gamma, yeah.
One word is magic.
Yeah. Okay.
Masuk ke situ ya pakai poll.
Yeah. This is also free to access, full everywhere, and can be embedded in our PPT slide ya Bapak Ibu. Oke, voting, fighting ya. User friendly, oke, music. Thank you Bapak Ibu. Okay, again, if you still find difficulties on how to use Magic School AI or Gamma or anything else, even Canvas, please let us know. You can actually book a consultation session with CTL team. We will be happy to assist you. To be excellent in teaching using any pedagogical approach or maybe technological tools, please let us know. Boleh sekarang rewardnya.
Bisa browser nggak kompatibel gitu. Cik, ini Pak Firman nggak bisa.
Oh, kekecilan maksudnya.
Enggak, ini yang udah ini kan ada itunya.
Iya, udah dong. Oh, iya sudah.
Di sistemnya browser. Biasanya itu pakai apa?
Pakai ini tuh, Pak. Saya mah bisa sih pakai iPhone gitu. Ini aja udah pabrik.
Iya, nggak mau.
Open ya. Kenapa ya kok gitu? Iya berarti itunya. Oh harus pakai Google Chrome coba. Oh ini aku pakai.
Thank you Bapak Ibu. Good job for today we refresh it now. Harusnya otomatis sih Pak ini.
Aku pakai Safari.
Otomatis Pak. Iya Iya tuh kan gerak-gerak Pak. Masa? Gak diakui kayaknya lah. Harusnya iya mungkin butuh waktu Pak. Ini aktif soalnya aktif dan ini otomatis kok. Ya. Wah, I'm so happy seeing this picture. This is even more beautiful ya.
Oh, bisa sih.
Bisa ya? Yeay. Oke, Bapak Ibu, are you guys finished? Finish already? Okay. So I think as for the conclusion, yeah, maybe I suggest Bapak Ibu to start small. So maybe you can start to use 1, 2, or 3 tools, yeah, and then try to apply this in the next week, yeah, next week meeting or the next 2 weeks meeting, yeah, and then try to also don't forget to align with outcomes that already defined, yeah, in the beginning of semester, and don't forget to always attach relevant file, for example, the PDF file, yeah, of your textbook, and then maybe you can also attach additional resources, for example, from OpenStack, from LibreText, something like that, yeah, and then don't forget to also provide additional instruction for the Magic School AI to produce engaging activities, gitu ya, or interactive activities, and then you can also try to create assignment that is AI resistant. And the last one, again, don't just copy and paste, Bapak Ibu. Ya, you need to review the result, you need to refine the prompt, ya, and then after you find the perfect response from the Magic tool, and then you can use it, ya, in your own classroom. Is that clear, Bapak Ibu? Clear ya? Okay, I think that's all ya for today. Oh ya, tadi udah ya. We have selected the workshop champion, so congratulations again to Pak Kenny and Bu Vera and Bu Julia. Yeah, I think that's all from CTL. Thank you so much Bapak Ibu for attending this workshop. I hope that you find this workshop is informative and useful. And again, don't forget to always contact us if you have any further question about all apps that we have shared to you. Okay, before we close the session, we're going to take a picture together. Do you mind, Bapak Ibu, please?
Yes.